See, like for example, when Urta Punjab came out, when I saw it, I was like, bad casting choice. क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग? आलिया को क्यों कास्ट किया इसमें?
Like, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था आलिया के साथ काम करने का एज एन एक्टर?
आलिया भट्ट is an elite talent. Is an absolute elite talent. As an actor, I've worked with a wide range of amazing actors. I've always observed them, learnt from them. Alia Bhatt has an extremely interesting process. She would like to, she usually says she doesn't really have a process, and I understand why she says that. That's what she thinks. But Alia Bhatt, like, I used to do certain takes with her, right? We'd do the first take. She'd give a take. I'd be like, अरे यार, वो expression दिया उसने उस line cut के बाद, I'd be thinking, बढ़िया दिया यार, क्या expression था, बहुत अच्छा था, वो delivery बहुत अच्छा था. वो जाके अगर take okay नहीं हुआ, तो she never goes and sees the monitor, never.
Okay.
Then she'll come for the second take. The second take, it'll be completely fresh. She has a very high EQ, so she understands what the character is, what the plot is, what the graph in the story is. वो scene story के graph में कहाँ पे हो रहा है. She has a very good understanding, and that is her foundation. So she will never go beyond that. But within that, no two takes are the same with her, because before each take, she has the discipline to completely empty her mind. And I promise you, as an actor, it's very difficult. क्योंकि पहले बार जब करते हैं, कुछ रह जाता है, अरे वो अच्छा किया था मैंने, वो रिपीट करना है, ये रिपीट करना है, जाके मॉनिटर देखेंगे, कुछ लोग मॉनिटर भी नहीं देखेंगे तब भी अरे वो अच्छा किया था. या तो एक हैबिट हो जाता है हर टेक के साथ. नथिंग. शी गोस blank in her head before each take. She herself doesn't know what expression she's going to give, how she's going to do a take, and that take is so spontaneous, so in the moment, so fresh. No, पहले 2-3 दिन मुझे लगता था पर यार वो पहले टेक में एक एक्सप्रेशन मिस हो गया, इस बार बहुत अच्छा था. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड दैट इज व्हाई शी इज सच अ गुड एक्ट्रेस, बिकॉज अगर वो याद रखती, वो कैलकुलेशन अगर आ जाता माइंड में, तो इतना स्पॉन्टेनियस वो कभी स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिखती. एंड शी इज इनक्रेडिबल. एंड दिस डजंट मीन दिस प्रोसेस विल वर्क फॉर एवरी एक्टर. नो, फॉर सम एक्टर्स दिस प्रोसेस वोंट वर्क एट ऑल. But this is what works for Alia, and she is an incredible talent. She just has. And it's amazing that she was, born in a, she's probably lived all her life in Bandra, well-to-do family. But her EQ, you would like to think that the amount of life experiences she would have had as a cinema industry kid would be limited. Because she wouldn't have had a chance like normal kids to go out, experience life and things like that. And she became an actor at such a young age. वो टाइम होता है जिसपे आप in your early 20s, when you go out, explore the world and build character, have life experiences, she had already become a star, so she wouldn't have had the privacy. But her EQ is so rich. I don't know how. That's amazing about her. And yeah, it was an absolute pleasure working with her. Now, so observing this and realizing how effective it is for certain kinds of actors is something I picked up from her. That tomorrow, if I'm directing an actor who I think this process will suit them, I'm going to tell them this. So that's one thing I observed from her. And as a co-star, this is between action and cut. But after cut, she's such a warm, generous human being. Doesn't throw her weight around at all. Doesn't make you feel like... Genuinely, sometimes I feel like she herself doesn't know. She knows, but for her it's a very academic knowledge that हाँ मैं एक बड़ी स्टार हूँ, तो मैं जब पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ, when I'm deciding to make a movie, ये सब याद रखना है. But as a human being, I don't think it's seeped into her personality at all कि वो एक स्टार है. You know what I mean? So she's very sharp in terms of how to position my film, what kind of films I should do and all that. And there, she's very aware of her stardom. But as a human being, it's like बहुत बिंदास है यार, like बहुत बिंदास है, and never makes you feel like she's working. Very generous, giving co-star as well. So yeah.
अच्छा राहुल भाई, अगर आपको एज ए डायरेक्टर आलिया के साथ कोई फिल्म बनानी हो तो किस तरह की फिल्म बनाना पसंद करेंगे?
I think the best thing about Alia Bhatt is that she's extremely versatile. You can literally take any kind of film to her. तो मैंने कभी कोई, if I come up with a script where I feel like, first of all, I think I am a Telugu filmmaker.
Yeah.
So yeah, at some point, if I feel like, hey, this is a film that would be well made in Hindi, I mean, or better suited to a Hindi audience for some reason,
Right.
you can take any kind of film to her.
Hmm.
There's just no restrictions. Tell me one thing that Alia can't do.
I don't think so. There is any.
See, like for example, when Urta Punjab came out,
हाँ.
I when I saw it, I was like, bad casting choice. क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग कि आलिया को क्यों कास्ट किया इसमें?
They're
ये
completely
मेकअप
वो
क्या है?
makeup,
ये
हाँ.
why couldn't they go for an authentic actor? And then I watched the
But,
film.
yeah.
My God, she blew my mind. I was like, nobody else can do this role. Nobody else can do this role. And she proved me wrong. And then Gangubai teasers came. I was like, यार ये तो पता नहीं, is Alia correct for this? What were they thinking casting Alia as Gangubai? And then I went and watched Gangubai. I was like, I mean, I don't think anybody can imagine anybody else as Gangubai but Alia
surprises
Bhatt.
every time.
Yeah, so
Every time.
so I think I now know as an audience, she's proved me wrong so many times that I now know it's foolish to think Alia can't do something. So yeah.
Okay.